Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Google Messages for Business. So what I want you to do is to sign in to your Gmail, and then I want you to go to this 9 points on the top right corner, tap on them and then scroll down until you see chats option. Click on it and they will send you to the chats window of Google, and right here I want you to go through the settings. Alright, so once you are on settings, I want you to go into messages and media, and right here try to enable all these options by clicking on that side. Anyways guys, and then I want you to hold your phone between your hands, and then I just want you to go into your app Google Messages, tap on it, and right here you need to get to this window RCS chats. So how you can get through it, you just need to tap on your picture, your Google Messages picture on the top right corner, tap on it, and right here I want you to go into message settings. Alright, so right here you can see on the beginning of these options, that option it says RCS chats. So tap on it and turn on the RCS chats. Anyways guys, it's so simple as you can see. It's so easy to be complicated. So that's how you can set up Google Messages for Business. There is one more thing, is that you need to have to turn your Gmail to a business Gmail, and you will turn automatically by doing these steps your Google Messages into a business Google Messages. So anyways guys, that's how to set up Google Messages for Business. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.